In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dotted box in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, you'll need to open your PowerPoint presentation. This is your canvas where you'll create and customize your dotted box. Once that's complete, navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options to enhance your slides. Select the Shapes option from this menu. This will open a drop-down with various shapes you can add to your slide. Next, you'll want to insert a rectangle shape onto your slide. Click on the rectangle icon and then click and drag on your slide to create the shape. This rectangle will serve as the base for your dotted box. From here, it's time to customize the outline of your rectangle. Open the Shape Outline options by right-clicking on the rectangle and selecting Format Shape. This will bring up a menu on the right side of your screen with various customization options. With that out of the way, choose a dotted or dashed line style for your rectangle's outline. In the Format Shape menu, click on the Line section, then select Dash Type. Here, you can pick from different dotted or dashed styles to apply to your rectangle's border. Now, review the shape to confirm the dotted border has been applied correctly. You should see your rectangle with a dotted outline, giving it a distinct and stylish appearance. Finally, you've successfully created a dotted box in PowerPoint. This technique can be used to highlight information or add a decorative element to your slides.